The Uaxactún star table is one of the most important archaeological finds in the history of mankind. It is known as the Maya gateway to the cosmos, which contains a wealth of astronomical information that could rewrite our understanding of the ancient world. But what exactly is it? And what does it have to do with planetary alignments? Join us as we travel to the jungles of Guatemala and uncover the secrets of this mysterious artifact. It's me. Welcome to my channel. The story begins in 1978, when archaeologists discovered an ancient burial ground at the site of Uaxactún in northern Guatemala. The burial ground belonged to a Maya king named Uaxactún, who ruled the region from 378 to 426 AD. Among the many treasures found in his tomb were several intricately carved limestone slabs, some of which formed a circular table-like structure. The centerpiece was a disc about 2 meters in diameter, decorated with a series of lines, dots, and human faces. But the most striking feature was a set of 9 large notches cut around the edge, like some kind of cosmic clock. For years, experts were baffled by the significance of these notches. Then in the 1990s, a researcher named Nikolai Grube realized that they matched the positions of the planets at a specific moment in time. The Maya had created a device to track the movements of celestial bodies and determine significant dates in their calendar. They called it the star table. But why did the Maya need such a device? Well, for them, astronomy was more than just a scientific pursuit. It was a way of understanding the universe and their place in it. The Maya believed that the stars and planets held sacred powers and that they could influence the course of human events. For example, they associated Venus with the god of love and war, and they tracked its cycles to predict when there would be outbreaks of violence. They also used star tables to keep track of time and plan agricultural activities. The growing season was sacred to them, and they needed to know when the rainy season would begin, so they could plant their crops accordingly. In addition, the star table was used to tell the future. The Maya believed that the positions of the planets at the time of a person's birth determined their fate. Astrologers would use the star table to cast horoscopes and advise people on how to live their lives. What makes the Uaxactún star table so special is its accuracy. The 9 notches around the edge represent the positions of the Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, and 2 hypothetical planets. The Maya believed that there were only 7 planets in the sky, but modern astronomers have discovered that there are actually 9. The extra 2 planets are Neptune and Pluto. How the Maya knew this is a mystery, but it is possible that they observed phenomena such as Neptune's rings or Pluto's unusual orbit and concluded that there were more planets than they had previously thought. This discovery has led some experts to suggest that the Maya were more advanced than we previously believed. They may have had telescopes or other tools that allowed them to see things in the sky that were invisible to the naked eye. The star table is also unique because it shows the planets in their retrograde motion. This is the apparent backward motion of a planet that occurs when Earth passes between it and the Sun. The Maya were aware that the planets sometimes seemed to move backward in the sky, and they incorporated this phenomenon into their star table. To do this, they had to develop a sophisticated understanding of the solar system and the laws of planetary motion. This was not easy, but the Maya were up to the task. They were brilliant mathematicians and astronomers, and they were able to develop a model of the solar system that was remarkably accurate. The Uaxactún star table is a powerful symbol of the Maya's understanding of the cosmos. It shows that they were not just a primitive civilization, but a highly advanced one that was capable of some truly amazing things. Their knowledge of astronomy and mathematics was unparalleled in the ancient world, and their ability to observe and record the movements of the planets is truly remarkable. Unfortunately, much of this knowledge was lost when the Spanish conquistadors arrived in the 16th century and destroyed much of the Maya's infrastructure and cultural heritage. However, thanks to the discovery of the Uaxactún star table and other archaeological sites, we are slowly beginning to understand the true extent of the Maya's achievements. Today, the Uaxactún star table is on display at the National Museum of Anthropology in Mexico City. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most popular tourist attractions in Mexico. If you ever have the chance to visit, I highly recommend it. It is an incredible artifact and a reminder of the brilliance of the Maya civilization. So what exactly is the Uaxactún star table? It is a limestone slab decorated with intricate carvings that show the positions of the planets at a specific moment in time. It is also a gateway to the cosmos, a device that allowed the Maya to understand the universe and their place in it. The Maya were not just a primitive civilization, but a highly advanced one that was capable of some truly amazing things. Their knowledge of astronomy and mathematics was unparalleled in the ancient world, and their ability to observe and record the movements of the planets is truly remarkable. Now, it's time to hear from you. What do you think of the Uaxactún star table? Is it a gateway to the cosmos or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time, the Maya were masters of astronomy and mathematics, developing a sophisticated understanding of the solar system and the laws of planetary motion. Their knowledge allowed them to create a highly accurate calendar and predict astronomical events such as eclipses and the arrival of comets. The Maya also used astronomy to keep track of time and plan agricultural activities. They believed that the cycles of the planets and stars influenced the natural world and human affairs, and they developed a complex system of rituals and ceremonies to honor the celestial bodies. The Maya built observatories, temples and pyramids aligned with astronomical phenomena such as the solstices and equinoxes. These structures served both practical and religious purposes, allowing the Maya to observe the heavens, while also paying homage to the gods. The Maya's knowledge of astronomy was not limited to observation. They developed sophisticated mathematical tools to calculate the positions of celestial bodies and predict their movements. They used a vigesimal system of numbers based on the number 20, and developed the concept of zero before the European mathematicians. These mathematical skills allowed them to create accurate calendars and keep track of time. One of the most impressive achievements of Maya astronomy was the creation of the long count calendar, which allowed them to keep track of time in a continuous cycle of days, months, and years. The long count calendar began on August 11, 3114 BC, and continued through the present day. The Maya also developed a ritual calendar called the Tzolk'in, which consisted of 260 days and was used to predict the best times for religious ceremonies and agricultural activities. The Maya's knowledge of astronomy was not static but developed over time, as they made new observations and refined their mathematical techniques. They also interacted with other Mesoamerican cultures such as the Zapotec and the Toltec, exchanging ideas and knowledge about the cosmos. Unfortunately, much of the Maya's astronomical knowledge was lost when the Spanish conquistadors arrived in the 16th century and destroyed much of their infrastructure and cultural heritage. However, some of their knowledge was preserved in the work of colonial-era scholars who studied the Maya and their culture. In recent centuries, archaeologists and anthropologists have rediscovered much of the Maya's astronomical knowledge and have uncovered new insights into their understanding of the universe. The discovery of the Uaxactún star table in 1978 was a major breakthrough in the study of Maya astronomy. This ancient device showed that the Maya had a sophisticated understanding of the solar system and the laws of planetary motion, and it provided new insights into their beliefs and practices. The study of Maya astronomy continues today, with scientists and researchers working to piece together the full extent of their knowledge and its impact on their culture. New discoveries are being made all the time, and the Maya are revealing themselves to be one of the most advanced civilizations in ancient history. The Maya's knowledge of astronomy was not just a curiosity, but a vital part of their culture that shaped their religion, agriculture, and daily life. Their ability to observe and record the movements of the planets and stars allowed them to create a highly accurate calendar and predict astronomical events. They also used astronomy to keep track of time and plan agricultural activities, and built observatories and temples aligned with astronomical phenomena. The Maya's sophisticated understanding of the cosmos is a testament to their intelligence and ingenuity, and their ability to observe and record the movements of celestial bodies is truly remarkable. While much of their knowledge was lost during the Spanish conquest, modern archaeologists and anthropologists are working to piece together the full extent of Maya astronomy and its impact on their culture. The Maya's legacy as astronomers lives on, inspiring new discoveries and a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. So what do you think of the Uaxactún star table? Is it a gateway to the cosmos or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time.